Hello, welcome to today's immigration tidbit. Have you wondered how removal proceedings begin in immigration court? Well, to start off, they have what's called a notice to appear or an NTA. And the NTA is not served by the court. The NTA is either mailed to you or to the person to be put in removal proceedings, or it is given to them at a certain point. So, for example, let's say someone comes in illegally across the border and applies for asylum and loses, okay, doesn't win. Along with the denial, they will get a document, the NTA, showing that they are now being put in removal proceedings. And this is not just a, go if you want to go or, think about it. It mandates that you do go. And if you don't, you will get an order of removal in absentia. The judge will call your name 2 or 3 times, wait until the end, and if you're not there, we'll just issue the order. That means that you've lost your day in court and that they can physically deport you. So you do want to make sure you go, and you do want to make sure that you are represented. Okay? So that's the first thing. Now, the NTA by itself does not mean that removal proceedings begins. The NTA has to be filed with the court, and only after the court actually has it will removal proceedings begin. You will then get a date and a place where you have to go to your first hearing, which is the master calendar hearing. Now, the NTA itself always has a few of the normal type of allegations and statements. It basically says who you are, says when you came into the country, says how you came into the country, and it says why they believe you are removable. Whether you have no legal status to stay here, whether you had legal status as a resident, but then you were committed a crime, thereby making you removable, or a plethora of other reasons why they believe you should be removable. And it lists all the different, items, 1 through whatever. And then when you go on to court, what it does is you will admit or deny what needs to be done in order for it to happen. So this is just an intro into the beginning of removal proceedings, but the NTA is, of course, a very important item. Okay?